I'm working on a Finding Solutions story tonight with a nonprofit that's been in our area since last October. They're called God's Grace Auto Repair, and they provide auto repair services to low income families at a very low cost, making it very affordable thanks to community support. I'm speaking with the man behind God's Grace Auto Repair this morning as he works on someone's car. And the great thing is they are mobile, so they're able to meet families where they are. Coming up tonight, all new on News 12 at 6 o'clock. See how you can help support them and the difference they're making in our area.